Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for farming with community. I'm very excited. So right here I'm in our chicken coop, So right here I have the disinfectant, So I'm from town to buy more chicken feeds, as you can see. So this is the chicken feeds. There are 3 bags. Each weighs 100 kg. So I have to spray myself before I enter there. Right here, what you are seeing right here, this is plywood. Okay, so this plywood is going to be very, very useful to us. We are going to separate in between the chicken coop. We want all the chicks to go one side because we are going to vaccinate it just right now. So I just want you to see me when I'm arranging everything, but before that I have to spray myself with the disinfectant. I haven't buy the shoes, the one we are going to be using while entering the chicken, but the good thing we have this disinfectant. So let me show you our chicks. But this one is the one who is taking care of our chicks to look so beautiful like that. He's full time here, he's feeding them, he's doing everything here. So let us arrange in here and he will be starting to vaccinate it. So guys, we are trying to separate them because we are going to vaccinate it right now. So we want it to be the other side. So the one which we are finished, we have to place this side. So guys, he's starting the work. Yeah. So guys, just from the chicken coop, I think you are seeing the lady is doing the work. He's trying to vaccinate. So right now I'm going to our corn plantation. So also I want to check on my man who is spraying, the corn. Wow, I love the fact that our corn is really nice. They have finished to weed, all is out, So let me turn the camera and have a look. As you can look at the farm from where the other house is. The man is just right there. He's spraying up to down there, So this is so beautiful. That's our corn plantation. It's very nice, very healthy. So it's spraying. Yeah. So we want it to be very nice. We are trying to prevent from being eaten by the pests. So it's well protected. It's with the lens, the gloves, So it's with everything. It's doing the work. Yeah, so that's how it looks like. Corn, there's no any grass in this corn plantation. Very nice. I can't wait to see my chicks when they're enjoying it. Yeah, chicken feed nowadays is very expensive. It's better to plant your own corn. Then after guys, that is our farm. Let me go home, and right now I'm going in town to do something special. So there are other things which I want to go and get. So let me rush there. But thank you so much for watching, for subscribing, and for supporting Kim Yuji. I believe God is there. God is on our side. So yeah, thank you. Bye bye.